Hey guys, it's me, Ben, here at Neha Wireless, going live for a quick second to say hello, good morning, happy Monday, all that fun stuff. I hope everyone is having a great day and a great start to their week. I am going live for just a quick moment, just to kind of let everyone know we have deals every day, all day, and we have a little bit of everything. So no matter what it is that you're looking for, we can pretty much guarantee you that we can help in some way with it, okay? Whether it is a phone repair, phone accessory, anything of that nature, we can definitely help. We have all the latest iPhones, all of which are unlocked, and you can use those with any service provider you have. And if not, we can always help set up a service provider for you. We have tons of gaming options for you. Oculus VR, PlayStation VR, PlayStation 4. We also have the Nintendo Switches over there. All the different models of that. We have the Xbox Series S. They are only $279 plus tax. The Switch Lites are $179 plus tax. Hoverboards are $129. And we have all this cool, fun stuff for your Apple lovers out there. All right, guys. And don't forget that our iPhone screen repair starts at only $39 plus tax, depending on what model you have. And as far as up to 12 Pro Max, the 12 Pro Max, they are currently $99 plus tax for the screen replacement, okay? All right, guys. So I hope everyone is having a great day, and I hope to see everyone in here.